How do I use direct chat support?
Oh, I know you might think this support is not great, but there is always the option to talk to Mano, but I guarantee you will love this support because we built it with AI and all the knowledge base from our enterprise customer support groups, plus all the training we have here for the tool. Yes, we created this knowledge base. So here you will get a much faster and also much more accurate response, okay? Yes, so for example, here is one. I want to know how to set up an ABO campaign. It will answer right here. See how to set up an ABO campaign. It's already searching the knowledge base. Look, a direct tutorial on that. It's right here. If you go ahead and open this tutorial, you'll see it's a tutorial I recorded myself with this video here on how to create an ABO campaign. Oh, I want to know how to reuse a campaign from the queue. You have already launched a campaign and want to reuse the same settings. Look, to reuse a previous direct chats queue, go to the queue history, then click here to reuse all settings. And there is a little video here too. So besides answering, when there is a tutorial, support will send it to you, okay? So I highly recommend that you use support because sometimes it is late at night. You have a question and you can upload it. Look, how to upload a BidCap campaign, for example. It is very simple, right? It is very intuitive how to upload. But if you have a question, you can look here in direct chats. See, and it answers correctly right here. Let's look for a question. I haven't made a video for how to not use a fan page that is restricted. Let's go see. You see it is very fast. Look, put it on the blacklist. Oh, there is even a video on managing your blacklist. Well, I recorded videos for everything yesterday, so the training section is really good now. So if you have any questions, you can ask here in direct chats. Soon, all the videos will be here in tutorials. It is not there yet, but you can already see it here through the support link.